Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to solve LeetCode's medium level question, and the question is random pick and wait. First of all, I'll suggest you to not to do this question because I'll call this problem as a bad problem. Why? Because number of likes is 590 and number of dislikes are 1322, which are way more than number of likes. And why I'm saying you to skip this type of question is because it will take your time. Basically, you will be wasting too much of your time over this type of questions in which either the question is not properly explained or there is some error in this. Okay, so first of all, I'll explain what the question is. Okay, so there will be a subroutine array and arguments array. So along with the subroutine there will be some argument passed to it. Okay, so if we write a function, we pass some arguments to that. Same as that, we have some subroutine and the arguments related to it. Okay, so solution will have this list as an argument. Okay, so in solution we are passing 1,3, that is our w. Okay, and we have to do all our computation over this w and we have to return required answer. Okay, and after that the rest of subroutines are pick index. All right, so in pick index we don't have any argument, so we have empty list. Okay, so I hope the question is clear. Doubt was what are these two input arrays. So one will be the subroutine array and another will be the arguments to that subroutine. Okay, so first of all we will be having solution, and in that solution we will be having a w vector as it is given in the question. We have to write down the code for solution and pick index. Okay, so in solution we have this w array, and for this what we have to do is we have to return the index according to its weight. Okay, so we'll be picking randomly and giving we'll be giving the preference to the more weighted index. Okay, so we have two elements over here, so this will have index as 0 and 3 will has index as 1. And if we see the probability, then probability of this will be 1 upon 1 plus 3, that is 25% or 0.25, and the probability of index 1 will be 0.75. Okay, so the logic behind this will be we will be calculating a prefix sum. So the prefix sum array will be like 1 and then 1 plus this 3. So we have calculated our prefix sum array, and what we will do is we will then make a random variable and we will see where does that random variable belongs to this in prefix sum, and we will return that index. Okay, so first of all what I'll do is I'll assign a global prefix sum. Okay, pre-sum, and then I'll populate the pre-sum. So pre-sum dot push back, so 0th element will be same, so w of 0, and after that for int I equals to 1, because we have already populated the 0th element. I equals to 1, I is less than w dot size I plus plus, and then pre-sum dot push back, what we are going to pre-sum I minus 1 plus w of I. Okay, so here we will be populating our pre-sum array. After that, in pick index, first of all we will define a variable range that will be the last element of our pre-sum array, or the this, like in this case we'll have it as 4, or the maximum sum value. Okay, that will be 4. So what we are going to do is we are going to store presum dot size minus 1, that means the last element. Okay, and now we will create a random number int, and we are going to store rand, and we will take margilo or remainder from our range and plus 1. So our random number will be between 1 to the maximum value or the last value in our presum. Now we have to just find the index, and for that we will be using binary search because it will take overflow n time. Okay, so first of all I'll declare index as -1, which we will be calculating and returning at the end, and then a start and that will be equals to presum dot size -1. Okay, now while my start is less than or equals to my end, what I'm going to do is, now int I'll calculate mid each time, that will be my start plus end by 2. Okay, if my calculated random number, if that is less than or equals to my presum's mid value, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll go to the mid of that array and I'll check to that. Then if it is less than equals to my presum mid, then index will be mid, and what I'll going to do is I'm going to search in the lower half of my array, and will be mid -1. Okay, or else I have to go to the upper half of the array or the right half of the array, then start will be equals to my mid plus 1, and at the end what I'm going to do is I'm going to return my index. So let's try running our code. Okay, so basically this question was not clear, so I'll suggest you to skip these type of questions. In these questions you will be wasting your time. Okay, and the major learning from this question might be the binary search. Okay, so this was the random pick and wait question. I hope you enjoyed this question. Till next video, bye bye, and thank you so much.